Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix reference errors in Excel. So let's get started. Start by opening the Excel workbook that contains the reference errors you want to fix. The most common cause of reference errors is when referenced cells have been deleted or moved. Check if any cells or ranges the formula is referring to have changed. If you have identified that data has been moved or deleted, update the cell reference in the formula to point to the correct location. So that's how you can easily fix errors in Excel. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.